Miss Paris waiting. Guess I must have laid down for hours. Hello. Oh, that's the one they use for the watermelons, right?
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now do it again.
So we're here on the farm and the nets are real. The nets are real. Woo. And I stopped by Walmart today and looked right at some alcohol. So when we leave here this evening, we're going to run by Walmart to get some alcohol and bug spray. So it's 7:19 a.m. Eastern time. So Chicago is 6:19, and we're on our way to the farm. And this is day 2 of harvesting, going out in the fields. And this is Brother Paris.
Yes, I am.
So it's 7:56 a.m. Today is Saturday. It's July 5th. And we're on the property of Muhammad's Farm in Brunwood, Georgia. Every year around this time is normally harvest time at Muhammad's Farms. Even though, you know, you may have some produce that may need an extra week or so. This is my 12th year participating in Muhammad's Farms annual harvesting event, formerly known as Founders Day, since I've been coming in 2014, I would say. And so a lot of people come with pickup trucks so that they can take back watermelons to their various destinations. Already I've met a few people. One sister, Rhonda, that's from St. Paul, Minnesota, that flew in to Atlanta. Another sister, Mecca, that's from Akron, Ohio. So here we are. It's a beautiful day. So you can see that it was like a rain out here, maybe very early in the morning. Here you go, Judah. What's that? Oh. Here, put it in your pocket, Paris. What? I would have put me a chair on here. But I had a chair. But it is what it is.
Provided it doesn't get full.
Pardon me?
Provided that it doesn't get full.
Oh. Olivia looks really cute.
Like riding a horse or something.
Oh my God. And I just thought about it. Pardon me?
still got my boots like
But-
doing.
Yeah, you brought them too.
Yeah,
I always have my boots when I go out in the field.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
Video footage or you taking
Alright.
pictures? You taking video?
I'm recording right now.
Oh.
Yes. So Olivia, I have some gloves too if you want. Okay. Thank you.
Need some help with the juice?
Yes. See, I ain't gonna turn it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Save my knees.
Yes, ma'am.
That's for extra gloves. Whoever needs some. Oh, this corn.
Okay. All right. Always, but then check it. There's some folks still coming that may not know what to do that. Yeah, I'm not telling. No, I haven't told them what to do yet because I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put them over here. I'm gonna put three brothers right here with Brother Gerald.
Okay.
All right. When we get it, the bag filled up, just call me and I'll bring a box. Okay. Now the rest of y'all come over here. And
Okay, we got what three are gonna be here? 1, 2. Okay, all right, what you're looking for is you want this to be, you want to fill, make sure it's good and full, make sure that is dark, real dark like you see, and then you can kind of do a little peek. You're gonna probably see that corn earworm right there, but that means it's good. No, you don't do it. Don't do that.
Yeah.
But it's right, and so what we do, that's just a good sign. Just take it and drop it in the bag and keep it moving to the next. Go to the next one. Yep. Okay, and we'll just move forward this way. I get over here. You can take. Each of us can get a roll. So, Bill, this is considered a roll right here? Yes, sir. This is a roll, and this is a roll here. You can get this one up, brother. Here. We'll just move it on down. All right. First, I want to keep looking at this. Looks nice and dark here. I'm gonna move on it, and I'm gonna take it nice and full. Everybody get a roll. All right. 1, 2, 3. That's yours. Right here. Yeah. 4. All right, let's put another one right here in the middle. Okay? All right. Okay, sister, come on. I'm trying to line stuff up. Okay, this is a row, but it don't start till to get up that far right there. But this is a row right here, that's a row right there, that's a row right there. Okay? So y'all was out looking at that, see if you find anything that's big enough.
And what are these? Zucchini. Okay.
Zucchinis. Okay.
About this, Doc? Yep. Should pop right off. Make sure they got no holes in them. Let's keep going. If you don't see nothing, if it's there, it's gonna be seen.
So in this area, we're looking for zucchini squash. Brother Carlton, could you hold that up? Thank you.
Okay, here's this one right here. One right there.
Oh, I see.
Y'all come on. If you don't see them, they ain't there. Here's one right here. This one right here, there's one right there. I don't see nothing else before there.
Okay. Oh, this is a big one.
Just do a twist.
Oh, you just twist it?
Twist it.
Oh. Oh, okay. Wow. So on this side right now, we're harvesting corn and squash. Sister Olivia, was yours a yellow squash or what color?
No,
was it?
zucchini.
Oh, that was the zucchini.
Yes.
And this is
That's
the
the yellow
squash.
squash.
Yellow squash, yeah, this zucchini.
Y'all bumpy like this here. They got too old. Orange and bumpy, they got too old.
Oh, so this one was too old, huh?
There's one right there, sister.
This is too old.
That's the third down. Here's one right here.
Okay.
call. There's one right here. It's too bumpy and too old for throwing away. No, right there. Go back. Right there.
Okay.
Go back. Right there.
I see. Under here.
Right there. Then this.
Okay.
That one's too small, right? Should I take it?
Yeah, too small.
Ooh, that's a good one. Brother Carlton, this one wasn't good, huh? Right there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. They blend right in with the leaves.
Yeah, I was looking for this one too.
Okay. So this one is too bumpy, huh? Yeah.
Pull it
Oh,
off.
still pull it.
And just throw it to the side.
Oh, okay.
Put it to the side where people can see. Yeah.
But what do you do when they too bumpy? You
you
can't do
can't
nothing
eat 'em.
with them?
I mean, have you ever? I tried to eat one time.
Oh, okay.
It's bitter. It's bitter and tough.
Oh.
Like the zucchini, they just keep on getting bigger and bigger. But the yellow squash, they get.
So this one, is this good right here?
Yep. They'll go ahead and pull it. Even if it's not good, you want to pull it.
Oh, okay. So this is good.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not.
Okay. Dr. Richard, is this one good?
No, it's too orange. Too orange.
Oh, it's too
Okay, that's what I
orange.
was
Oh
thinking,
my
yeah.
God. Wow.
Yeah, 'cause they get
And that's
bigger.
bumpy. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, and I see that's already plucked.
Y'all keep going. I'm gonna bring the truck. It's too orange up. Yep. Gotta be yellow.
Look at that red mud, red clay mud.
Yes, sir.
I see one right there, but no, I guess that's the plant. I saw one, but it was like too tiny, I think. See, like this one right here, it don't seem like it's ready.
Yeah, it's small.